Hello guys. Hello guys, and we are doing a YouTube channel for birds again. Birds again, boys. And so we using the vacuum and we take out the paper. That's all her stuff. And I hope they don't get scared.
Ay, de estar chiquito, ¿dónde está tu amigo, pues? ¿Dónde está el amigo? ¿Dónde está ese amigo, pues? ¿Dónde está tu amigo, pues? ¿Dónde está? Deme la pata.
Yeah, you.
¿Qué me dio piti? ¿Qué me dio pata? ¿Qué me la pata? ¿Dónde está la patilla del bonito, pues? Sí, ¿ves? ¿Dónde está el bonito, pues? Nada más limpiarte el popo. Mira, ¿ves?
Sí.
¿Dónde está el popo? El popo.
Y a la food. Y a la comida.
La comida. Mira, ¿ves?
Sí.
Botó bastante comida.
You get crumbs for comida.
Pero te lo voy a llenar más. O le echamos más. Voy a poner a más.
Well,
More food. Maybe, ¿no?
my mom doesn't do that.
No?
But she sees more food, she doesn't put in the trash. But you can put a little bit more you want to, or no.
Yo porque uno 3 days more.
I could put, but you can put a little bit more. You want to. Wait, my mom, look. My mom doesn't like put it right here, look. Not right here because last time the bird was eating, it fell. It's always fell right here. Look, right here.
Little bit. Not too much.
Yes, there's some food. Ow, my arm. Oh. Oops. Jesus, tangy horses. Jesus. Uh-huh. Yeah. Don't put it over here because last time because a while ago it fell and it always fell on that side. Oh my.
Okay. ¿Dónde está?
It's not going to hurt you.
Bueno.
It won't.
Es bonito.
It's just going to touch you.
Vamos a cambiarte el agua.
Let me. She's going to change your agua.
Agua. Sí, ya está Dory.
Sucio.
Ya está sucio el agua, mira.
Huh. See. It smells stinks? It smells stinks? What did my mom did a while ago? What did my mom did? We got the bird a while ago, and we got the cage, and we did not have no paper. Do you know what did she use a while ago? She used paper towel a while ago.
Oh yeah. You could use a paper towel.
But you can waste paper towel though. What time is it? 2:55. I mean 2:59. It says in my watch.
Ya, ¿qué fue? ¿Ah? Te cambié yo el volado.
What happened? You hungry?
Te pongo este aquí. ¿Mm?
What happened? You hungry?
Dime,
Something?
papá.
There's a paper. You can use anything you want. Wait, what if she does? She cannot fish. She cut it. I will give the scissors. I mean, no, the scissors are over here. Do you fit? You need to cut it. Something like that. What's wrong, guys? You're not cutting with scissors?
No.
No? No? Oh, there we go.
¡Ay, qué belleza!
Yeah, keys.
You can do it like this, sí.
But-
You can it out like
But
that.
he was in the back.
No.
That's why I said. And wanna know he got him a kiss saying Sharpie baby? You go and clean that vacuum mess?
Yeah, I could clean.
Okay, guys, you got new paper to poop and food.
Ay, ¿dónde está mi conito, pues? ¿Dónde está mi conito, pues? ¿Dónde está conito? Give me the finger.
Uh-huh.
Give me the...
You can do A, buddy. But first.
Yeah, ¿dónde está el amigo? ¿Dónde está mi amigo? ¿Ah? ¿Dónde está mi amigo,
Look,
buddy?
what happened? I
Huh?
get
Give
him.
me my feet.
But what
Give me
happened?
my
I
feet.
get. What happened? I get.
Coco, Coco, Coco. Hmm? Good? You
What
want me?
happened? They want food put in your hand. They can do it.
Yeah?
What hard to do it? Are they going?
Mira,
is
a ver.
that going?
You want that? Buddy? Buddy? Friend, amigo. ¿Dónde está mi amigo? ¿Dónde está mi Coco? Coco.
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 Es Coquito.
Comida.
Es Coquito. Comida.
Mm-hmm. I think you'll want some. I think you're not hungry, bro. Boys and brothers.
See, I want to change this one.
Why?
What you say too close? This is like that.
But you can move. I want to move this one because
What?
he climbs up.
What do you want here?
But why you like over here somewhere like that?
Mm.
Because she can because she'll need to climb up
No.
and You go and put the bird down on the floor?
No. I have to leave it like that. I have to poner out the paper.
Just it.
No es de table. I don't want to refrescar unos días de Tori.
Or
O es spill the table.
food.
No sé si es full o spill. I have to poner out.
Don't fill it.
No, no go fill. I have to poner out the paper. Ya, ¿dónde está mi amigo? ¿Dónde está el amigo bonito? ¿Dónde está el bonito?
I like it move it or like over here, somewhere like that. Yeah, more plastic for you guys. Okay, your house is clean. Your house is clean, guys. Right, Grandma?
Yeah.
Their houses are clean. Guys, your house is clean right now. It's so clean right now.